Students, today we are discussing about 5 more general knowledge questions. The first question is, which vitamin is considered to be a hormone? The answer is vitamin D. Next, on the basis of financial crisis, how many times has emergency been declared by the President of India? The answer is not even once. Next, which is the element found on the surface of the moon? The answer is titanium. Next, why is Beaufort scale used? The answer is to measure wind velocity. Next, which Toma ruler is created to have established in Delhi? The answer is Anangpal.